So Erik, what will you do for a new house like this to insulate it?
Well, I prefer to use foam on all my projects. Sure. Anytime, whether it's a new construction or remodel, if I open a wall or I have an open cavity, right, I'm going to fill it with foam.
It's hard to argue with how tight it makes it for infiltration standpoint.
It seals everything. It seals nails, it seals joints, it gets tight into the studs. There's no air infiltration. It's the way to go.
So a couple of choices?
Yeah, so we've got open cell foam, which we have here, which is a lot softer, spongy. It absorbs water. It's a great sound deadener. Yeah. But it's not a fire retardant.
We've used this for years.
Yep. And the other product that we use that we're going to be using on this project here is closed cell foam. Okay. Not only is it extremely rigid, it's also a fire retardant, and it gives it a little bit of structural integrity as well.
Okay. So this is not a fire retardant?
That's not a fire retardant, this is.
And this is not a vapor barrier?
That is not a vapor barrier. Okay. This also is.
So will you use this everywhere in this building?
Not everywhere. We're going to use it on all the roofs and the walls, but around the windows and any area that we have from one floor to another where we've got mechanicals such as electrical or plumbing going through those, we're going to use two different open cell kind of products.
Okay.
Around the windows, we're going to use an open cell product that we can essentially spray around that window just like that.
And the key is that if you did one of these, right, it might expand so much that it might bind the window up.
Yeah, so a lot of people nowadays have tilt wash windows, and the ability and what they like about those windows is they're able to get them out, they're able to clean the outside.
Not quite tilt if you squeeze them in with
No,
foam.
exactly. Yeah. This is going to be a rigid product. You're not going to be able to get that out of there.
Great. And you mentioned another for penetration?
Yeah, so the other thing that we like to use for any wire or plumbing penetration that we have from floor to floor, we need to make sure the fire doesn't get, if there is a fire, we have to make sure it doesn't get from one floor to the other. So we'll use a product like this.
To fire stop.
It's an open cell, but it's also a fire stop. And we need to make sure we have that. Yeah. One of the differences between the closed cell and the open cell is the fact that any exterior wall where I'm going to be using this closed cell, it acts as a fire retardant as well. Yeah. So my job, all I've got to do is really focus on the penetrations on the interior partitions.
All right, so I see a truck here. Take me through the process of putting the foam into the building.
So essentially the foam comes in two different barrels. There's an A side and a B side. The mixture happens at the truck, it goes through the tank, and then out to the applicator.
All right, so closed cell for this entire building, both the roof and the walls.
Yeah.
All right. Open cell, I know though, is a little less money, pretty good R value. Why not open cell?
Well, I think of insulation as my 401k. Closed cell is going to give me the much higher R value, and I'm going to get a better return on my investment.
All right. And when you're done, you're going to have one very tight building.
Yeah, we're creating a barrier around the entire perimeter of this home.
So what's really important to have in that building is also some fresh air coming in.
Yeah, we're going to be putting in an energy recovery ventilation system here.
Critically important. If you're going to insulate, you got to ventilate.
Definitely.
All right. So how many days will it take to get this building done?
We're going to have this house done in about 3 or 4 days.
Great. I can feel warmer already.
Me too.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.